it's demo here about the shoes. This is the Cobalt, the new chair shoes. You can see this is the rubber. For your how can I say, we can also do the OEM. Design your own shoes, like change this logo, change this logo, and change this logo. But if you want, if you want to build your absolutely your own brand of the shoes, like change all of those three logos, or add logos here or anywhere, maybe they need a big quantity, like 10,000 pairs. But if you only change the logo here, I think like 1,000 pieces or 500 pieces is enough.